In the class, we will in this class we will discuss prime number program and even or odd program. First of all, we will try to discuss even or odd program. What is an even number? Even number, a number which is divisible by 2 is called even number. Even number means a number divisible by 2 is called even number. All the multiples of 2 are said to be even numbers. Means a number which when divided by 2 gives remainder 0 is said to be even number. How to check whether the given number remainder? Suppose if we take 12, percentage symbol is used to get remainder. When we use percentage symbol, it will give remainder. When 12 percentage to 12 by 2 use 2 6 are 12. So we will get remainder 0. Then 13 is given. So this is even number. It is divisible by 2. When remainder gives 0, it is even number. Suppose take 13. 2 to 6 are 12. We get remainder as 1. So remainder is not equal to 0. So 13 is not even number. Now we will try to code in Python to check whether the given number is even or odd. Okay. Suppose take 1. Percentage 2 gives remainder as 1 itself. So 1 is not even number. When divided by 2, it gives remainder 0. So even number. Then 3 divided by percent 2 means gives remainder as 1. So not prime, not even number. When 4 divisible is, we will try to check divisible by 2 or not. Yes, it is divisible. Remainder gives 0. So it is even number. So if n is a number given, we should check whether the n number is divisible by 2. If remainder gives us 0, then it is said to be even number, or else it is not even number. We will try to write Python program to check even number or not. Whether given number is even or not. So take input from end user. For that we use input function. Take input means give me input. So at beginning it is in string type. We will typecast to integer type. So the number which is given, it is in string form. So we will typecast to integer form. Then after we'll check that number. If number divisible by 2 gives remainder 0 or not. If 0, then we will print directly given number is even. Else we will print given number is not even. So this is a Python program. If we want to display n also, number, what is that number also, we can write n directly here. There are percent dot format of, there are many types to represent the number. So I am using simple one. Now we will try to execute this program. Enter. Okay, we will try to ask from user, enter a number in such a way. Enter a number. It will be convenient to us. Okay, enter a number 3. We will remove given number also. Okay, it would be fine now. Enter a number 3. 3 is not even. 8. 8 is even. Okay. Program is running fine. Now we will consider this one. Now our goal is to check whether the given number is prime or not. That is our program now. Okay. What is a prime number? Okay, we will do in this only. I have all the programs. I have saved everything in Notepad, so I'm doing in this only. Python program to check whether given number is prime or not. What is a prime number? What is the prime number? What is prime? Prime means a number which should not be divisible by any number except 1 and itself. Suppose number 5 is taken. 1 can be divided by only 1 and 5. So 1 is a prime number. Let us take 4. 4. 4 is divisible by 1, 2 and 4. So prime number is only it can be divisible by 1 and itself. There is extra number called 2. So 4 is not a prime number. Not a prime number. Let us take the number 4. As I have told you earlier, is 4 divisible by 1? Yes, it is divisible. Is 4 divisible by 2? Yes. So it is another number. It is not itself and not 1. So we can conclude 4 is not prime number. Let us consider other number 7. Let us assume 7. Is 7 divisible by 1? 1. Okay. There is no problem to check 1. Let us check with 2. 2 is divisible by 7. 7 is divisible by 2. No. 3. No. 4. No. 5. No. 6. No. 7. Yes. It is not divisible by any of these numbers. And it is divisible by only 1 and 7 itself. So it is a prime number. So we should check from 2 to n-1 elements. If it is divisible by any of the number, so we can conclude that it is not prime. We can break and we can conclude it is not prime. So for we can write for loop for I is equal to 2 to I less than n given number I plus plus. Let us take W is a condition is equal to true. Prime number is true. Move this one. Okay, no problem. If number given number n, suppose n is equal to 7, is equal to 7, n percent I equal to 0. If any number divisible by I means starting from 2 to n-1 up to here number. If any number is divisible, W is equal to 0 means false. The given number is not prime. So you can write this 0. We can break directly. Break. This one. Okay. Break. And after coming the loop, I'm writing here due to space. If W equal to 1, print prime number. Print prime number, else not prime number. Else not prime number. So how it is possible? So if I have given the number 7, I am checking from 2 to 6, I less than n. If it is divisible by any number, I am making W to 0, or else W is 1 itself. So it is not divisible by any number. So W is 1 only. It will not enter to this loop. So I am not breaking any condition. And at last I am checking W equal to 1. Is W is equal to 1. Prime number 7 is prime number. Suppose take 8. Is it divisible by 2? Yes. Here condition is 2. Comes inside. W equal to 0. Condition W becomes 1 goes to 0. And break. I am coming out of this for loop. So if W equal to 1, no, condition false. I am executing else loop, not prime number. So that is. Now I will execute Python program and it will be clearly understandable. So n is equal to input. I am taking input. It is like scanf function. I am typecasting to integer type. I am asking from end user enter a number. Then after I am going loop for I in range 2 to n. 2 to n means it will take n minus 1 elements only. It will not consider nth element. If n percent I equal to 0. If any one of the number between leaves the remainder 0, so W equal to 0, condition false. At the beginning, I am assuming the given number is prime. If it is so, I am telling it is not prime. W equal 0. Break. I am coming out of the loop. I don't want to iterate further. If I know that at least one number is divisible in meanwhile in between from 2 to n minus 1 elements. W. You can write in this also. W equal to 1. Print prime number. Else print not a prime number. Okay, we can write here n itself. Okay, this is fine. We'll try to check whether we'll try to check 8. It is 8 is not a prime number, it is divisible by 2. Now I will try to check 7. It is a prime number. It will be not divisible any number in between. Although we have checked one test case. 7 is a prime number. Yes. Okay, this is the Python program for prime number. Okay, you can observe one thing here. You can here observe here one thing. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, if I want to check whether 7 is prime or not, I am checking from here to here. I am checking in this range. So 7% 2 equal to 0, 7% 3 equal to 0, 7% 4, 5, 6, 3 to the 6, 4 to the 8. So I can check up to half numbers itself. And I can conclude that given number is prime or not. I don't need to check from 4. Because when I divided by when 4 is double, it will get number greater than 7. So I no need to check 4. We can take up to square root itself, square root plus 1, but you can take up to half also. Okay, now let us take 7. Divisible by 2, we can check with 2. After 3, we can stop there. Suppose 6. Let us take 6. I told up to half number, 6 by 2 means 3. I can check up to 3. We can get from 2 itself. It is a not prime number because 2, 6 is divisible by 2. So we can conclude here itself. So I can write n by 2. I will write plus 1 also because it will take up to n minus 1 elements. N by 2 means n by 2 minus 1 elements it will take. If I add plus 1, it will run up to n by 2. It will also work fine. Enter a number. 14. 14 is not a prime number. 2 7 14. Okay, now 17. 17 is a prime number. Okay, thank you.